Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our enchanting world of back porch decorations. On our channel, we are all about turning your outdoor space into a captivating oasis where you can unwind, entertain, and create unforgettable memories. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard porch, we have got the perfect ideas and inspiration to transform it into a delightful retreat. Join us as we delve into the realm of porchscapes and share a treasure trove of decorating tips, type projects, and budget-friendly hacks. Our goal is to help you curate a picturesque, cozy, and inviting atmosphere that reflects your unique styles and personality. Expect to find a plethora of themes, from rustic farmhouse charm to contemporary elegance and everything in between. We will showcase the latest trends, explore timeless classics, and uncover hidden gems that will elevate your outdoor living space to new heights. Our channel will also be your go-to source for plant lovers. Discover the magic of porch plants and learn how to create stunning greenery arrangements that breathe into your porch. Are you planning a summer story or a delightful gathering with friends and family? We have got you covered with outdoor entertaining decor ideas that will set the perfect mood for your guests. And don't worry, if you are a beginner in the world of decoration, we welcome all levels of expertise. Our step-by-step tutorials and easy to follow guides will empower you to bring your porch dreams to life without any hassle. So why wait? Subscribe to our channel and embark on an inspiring journey of back porch transformations. Together, it's unlock the full potential of your outdoor space and make it a place you will never want to leave. Hit that notification bell to never miss a porch perfect update. See you soon. Thanks for watching my video.